All right, for this next one, it says cut out and paste. I'm just going to go ahead and draw and write my own statements in here, kind of paraphrasing the statement myself. So an acute angle, okay, would look something like this, and I call that angle 1, and I would say is an angle less than 90 degrees, and you would see like angle 1 is less than 90. Okay. Angle addition, or the measure of angle 1. So angle addition, so if I had an angle here, I had an angle here, okay, A, B, C, and I call that point D, right? I would say something like angle ADB plus, that's this angle right here, plus angle BDC, which is this angle right here. They add up to the big one, ADC. Okay. Midpoint of a segment, and I call that A, B, and C. I would draw it like this, and I would say segment AB is congruent to segment BC. Okay. An obtuse angle, make it a little more prominent. Okay, I'll call that angle 2, and I would say the measure of angle 2 is greater than 90 degrees. Okay. A right triangle, call it angle 3. The measure of angle 3 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Segment addition postulate. So I'm going to try to make this not look like it's a midpoint. Okay, and I'm going to say segment AB plus segment BC. This segment plus that segment equals the big segment, AC. Segment bisector. Okay, so you got to be careful with this. So if I draw a line, and that's the midpoint, okay, a segment bisector, I call this, TW. The segment bisector is actually the line TW, okay, and it cuts a segment into two congruent pieces. Okay, so the actual segment bisector is this line here. This one is congruent to that one. Supplementary angles, okay, we typically draw it as a linear pair. And I would say the measure of angle ABC plus the measure of angle CBD is equal to 180 degrees.